and today I'm going to talk about the problem that affects thousands of people in Monterrey. The problem is air pollution. I choose the topic because it is an issue that many people experience in their daily lives. Air pollution isn't only an environmental problem, but also a health problem. The quality of the air we breathe can affect how we feel, how we work, and how we live. In this presentation, I will explain what air pollution is, what is a problem in Monterrey, its causes, its consequences, and some possible solutions that can help improve the solution. First, it is important to understand what air pollution means. Air pollution occurs when harmful substances enter to the atmosphere and make the air dirty and unsafe to breathe. These substances can include smoke, gases, dust, and very small particles that are invisible to the human eyes. Clean air is essential for life. Every day we breathe thousands of times without thinking about it. However, when the air contaminates pollutions, our bodies can be affected. Air pollution is a problem in many cities around the world, but it is essentially important in Monterrey because of its geography, population, and industrialist activities. Monterrey is one of the largest and most important cities in Mexico. It is known for its economic development, industries, universities, and businesses. However, this development has also created environmental challenge. One reason why air pollution is a significant problem in Monterrey is its location. The city is surrounded by mountains. Although these mountains are beautiful, they can also prevent pollen and air from moving away easily. As a result, contaminants can remain trapped in the atmosphere for longer periods. In addition, Monterrey has a large population and many vehicles. Every day, thousands of people travel across the city for work, school, and other activities. This increases the amount of pollution released into the air. For these reasons, air quality in Monterrey can sometimes reach unhealthy levels. There are several factors that contribute to air pollution in Monterrey. The first cause is transportation. Many people use private cars every day. Cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles burn fuel and release pollutants into the atmospheres. Since there are so many vehicles on the roads, transportation becomes an important source of pollution. The second cause is industrial activity. Monterrey is one of the most industrialized cities in Mexico. Industries provide jobs and contribute to the economy. But some factories also release gases and particulates that affect air quality. Another cause is construction. The city continues to grow and many construction projects take place throughout the year. Construction activities often produce dust that can spread through the air and affect nearby communities. Waste burning is another factor. Sometimes people burn garbage or other materials, which releases harmful substances into the atmosphere. There are several factors that contribute to air pollution in Monterrey. The first cause is transportation. Many people use private cars every day. Cars, trucks, buses, and motorcycles burn fuel and release pollutants into the atmospheres. Since there are so many vehicles on the roads, transportation becomes an important source of pollution. The second cause is industrial activity. Monterrey is one of the most industrialized cities in Mexico. Industries provide jobs and contribute to the economy. But some factories also release gases and particulates that affect air quality. Another cause is construction. The city continues to grow and many construction projects take place throughout the year. Construction activities often produce dust that can spread through the air and affect nearby communities. Waste burning is another factor. Sometimes people burn garbage or another materials which releases harmful substances into the atmosphere. Air pollution has many negative consequences. One of the most serious consequences it is effect on human health. When people breathe polluted air, they can experience respiratory problems. Some common symptoms include coughing, throat irritation, headaches, and difficult breathing. People who suffer from asthma may experience more frequent attacks. Children and older adults are especially vulnerable because their bodies are more sensitive to environmental conditions. Air pollution can also affect people's daily activities. On days with poor air quality, some individuals may prefer to stay indoors to advise experts. Another consequence it is the impact on the environmental. Pollutants can affect plants and animals. They can damage ecosystems and reduce environmental quality in urban and natural areas. Although air pollution is a serious problem, there are many actions that can help reduce it. One solution is to improve public transportation. If more people use buses, trains, or other forms of public transportation, fewer cars will be on the roads. This can reduce emissions and improve air quality. This issue is important because the decision we make today will affect future generations. If air pollution continues to increase, more people may experience health problems and environmental conditions may become worse. In conclusion, air pollution is one of the most important environmental challenges in Monterrey. This problem is caused by transportation, industrial activities, construction, and other factors. It is affects people's health and the environment and the economy. There are many possible solutions using public transportation, planting trees, following environmental regulations, and promoting environmental education can help improve air quality. Every action matters, even a small change can have a positive impact when many people participate. By working together, we can help create cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable Monterrey for future generations. Thank you very much for watching.